Step 1 is to moisturize your lips. I've used the Colourpop lip balm by MyGlam. You can use any lip balm of your choice. For step 2, we'll take any dark colored lip liner pencil and outline our entire lip, giving it a proper shape. Now take any smudger and just blend this outline so that there is no harsh line left. At this point, you can go to and fro with the products. So if you feel that, if you've lost the magenta color, we can go back with the lip liner so that there is a proper dark color towards the end of our lips. After this, I'm using the MyGlam Ultimate Long Stay Matte Lipstick in the shade Showgirl to fill the entire lip. And now we'll merge the lip liner and the center parts where there was no color. To make the ombre effect look more prominent, I'm using a liquid matte in the shade Pink Meets, a pinkish shade just in the center portion, the inner portion of the lips. Now this is a game-changing step in creating ombre lips. Take a light color cream concealer and just dab it in the center of the lips to make the ombre effect more prominent. And now outline using the dark lip liner just to create that ombre effect, and you are good to go.